Kementeri Kesorkar Jela kepada Iru ke Chairperson ke Komiti Halor ke Roster ke Kong Amperin Lingdo hak Syitri ke Juliu kalau orang kesorkar kan saai ke jing penbenai ke kam halor ke jing thung kam thung jam onda baru ke sing pertai kila dan keju ke jing mod halor ke jing penteri kami ke reservation policy ba ke roster system media menta on pensang eswa ya baru ke jing thung kam thung jam haba kran kila thai kubor ke Kong Amperin kalong.
You cannot have a truncated view. This is a democracy. Let us bring on board everyone. If somebody has a problem, they should indicate the problem. Then collectively, after 3 weeks, likely we will be able to understand what will happen. But as of now, as was decided by the committee and accordingly recommended to the government, all recruitment procedures to be put on hold till everyone is in agreement.
Haba pentip balade ban kmi benya nagi babun kiliang swaban sedang ke jingthung kam thung jam kalong bak sarkar kalong ke balakloy ban sngap ke sur ki pajba halor kini kamat haba kelipat ya kapor ban sedang biang ke jingthung kam thung jam ka kam brin kalong ba ompala bni thui kapor kat hadu menta.